G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 1-minute microwave quiche. So easy. So for those of you that love quiche and like things that only take a minute, let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Get a microwave safe mug, ramekin, bowl, whatever. Put in 1 large egg. Now for this you can add milk, whole milk, you can add cream, doesn't really matter. I'm adding cream, so 1.5 tablespoons should do. Then add about a teaspoon of melted butter. Add a pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, then mix or whisk this together. Now get some grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes, cut them in half. 2 or 3 should be enough, unless you want more. Chuck them in there. Get some bread and tear it up. 1 slice of bread, and you'd probably use about half to a third of 1 slice. Then get about a tablespoon or so of grated cheese. You can use cheddar cheese or mozzarella. And then chop up some herb. I don't know who Herb is, but I'm sorry, I have no plans to chop you up into pieces. Get some herbs. I've just got some fresh herbs from my garden, some chives and some parsley, and just chuck that on. Depends on how much you want. A little bit, a lot, doesn't really matter. Now just pop this in the microwave for 60 seconds on high. Well, I hope you like this. Really, really yummy. Yeah, let's see. Maybe this part. Oh, that was yummy, but it was super, super hot. Whew. I'll see you next time for my next meal. That was too hot.
Simple Cooking Channel.